Good evening, Weather Watchers. Well, I'll tell you what, if I had $1 for each time someone has asked me over the last couple of weeks when it's going to rain, I'd be a very rich man. Now, climatologically, September is one of Queensland's driest months. Having said that, looking at today's temperatures, there's all the main centres along the coast. Now, rainfall for the 24 hours ending 9 o'clock this morning: Cardwell 2 millimetres, Tully 1, Maroochydore reported 0.2, but I bet my bottom dollar that was probably 0.2 of a millimetre of dew. Otherwise, state extremes 35 at Windora and Birdsville, and 6, would you believe, at Monto. OK, the first of the satellite pictures tonight. Generally, this is taken around about 4 p.m. this afternoon. This greeny colouring is high-level jet stream cirrus, coming very rapidly in from the southwest to northeast. And we can identify some low-level cloud, perhaps a few showers around the Cairns district there, but otherwise most coastal radars are completely devoid of any echoes. On the continental picture, what can I say about that? You can see the origin. We've got a very meridional flow, so the wind is more or less coming up like this and from the southwest and then the northwest, so it's all over the place like a Labrador's breakfast. OK, not so the chart. We'll have a little discussion on this one next. The ridge will be maintained for the next 3 to 4 days at least, thanks to the high in the Tasman Sea. Now that high will step back, would you believe, in the next couple of days. This western trough will weaken. So apart from isolated showers down the coast about as far as Mackay, it should be fine apart from early morning fog patches anywhere from, say, Rockhampton south to Brisbane for tomorrow. Let's check the forecast for the North Tropical Coast and Tablelands. Isolated showers along the coast and ranges, mainly early morning, otherwise fine inland. Next, we look at the Herbert and Lower Burdekin. Isolated coastal showers developing mostly or mainly north of Rolling Stone, otherwise fine elsewhere. For Thursday, isolated coastal showers. Further south for the Rockhampton district, fine apart from some early morning fog patches, east to northeast winds, and continuing fine for the following couple of days. For the Toowoomba district, the Darling Downs and the Granite Belt, dry with some haze, light to moderate winds from the northwest to northeast, a moderate to high fire danger, and continuing dry for Thursday. For the Bundaberg district, Wide Bay and Burnett, fine, though some smoke haze. Early morning fog patches near the coast, light to moderate northwest to northeast winds, and a moderate to high fire danger. And finally, for the beautiful Sunshine Coast around Maroochydore and Caloundra, fine, though smoke haze, light southwest to west winds in the morning, moderate afternoon sea breezes during the afternoon, and fine for Thursday. Consider yourself meteorologically briefed.
Thanks a lot, Peter. Finally tonight, the Darling Downs Art Quilters Group have launched an exhibition ahead of its time. Progression's Art Quilters Step into the Future is their latest exhibition, which is currently on show at the Toowoomba Regional Art Gallery. It showcases contemporary textile art by quilt and fibre artists from across Australia and New Zealand. The selected works represent quilters' moves into the expressive freedom of the future.
That's our bulletin this Tuesday night. From all of us on the Win News team, good night.
Good night.
This has been a Win News presentation from Australia's largest regional television network.